y'all, hey, welcome back to another video in my channel, or welcome if you're new. It's been a while. It has been a while since I last posted a YouTube video, but this is the first few that I've been working on. Today's Wednesday, June 18th. Tomorrow is Juneteenth. As you can tell from the title of this video, I am in charge of desserts for the holiday tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna be working on. I got a little ambitious in my picking, I will not lie. I had the choice between a few, like banana pudding, pound cake, little cheesecake cups. I had a lot to choose from, and I ended up going with 3 different ones. So that's what we're gonna do. It is the night before though, so I have a little bit of time to kind of make some stuff ahead. I'm also making TikToks about this, so I don't know if the whole video will be like wide for YouTube or if I'll just insert my TikTok clips. But either way, I wanted to document the whole process because it's Juneteenth and who don't like desserts? So I'll be sure to give credit to all the people who I got the recipes from in the description box. The first thing I'm making is a spiked pineapple upside down cake. I've never made this before, so fingers crossed, we're gonna hope for the best on that one. The 2 other ones I'm doing cheesecake cups, but I'll go into those more once I start making those. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this cake. It's been cooking for about 30 minutes. Ooh, that looks good. Oh crap, it actually got on the bottom of it. I gotta take that out. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. I'm about to test it with a knife. I am scared that it's maybe a little too moist just because of how it like split here and here and around those edges. This side don't look too bad though. But yeah, I'm about to test it with a knife and see. This is just a butter knife. Okay, that part came out clean. Let's try this side. Nope, that part did not come out clean. So I'm gonna do it for maybe 5 more minutes and keep an eye on it. I'm not gonna mess with this part yet. I'm about to maybe scrape it off, but if anything, it's coming loose a little easy, so I'm gonna get just these edges off and then stick it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Alright, that cake is just about done. One thing that I realized with baking and with cooking, when something's cooking, like when something's on the stove or when something's baking in the oven and you have a little bit of idle time, a little goes a long way in terms of cleaning while you're idle. Like, especially when you're baking and you have little tablespoons and teaspoons and 1,000 bowls all over the place. It makes it easier when the baking is done and when the cooking is done, when you've cleaned everything. That way when everything is ready, you don't really have that much left to clean. So that's what I just did though. I just washed all my dishes. I just took the cake out of the oven. Now I'm gonna let it sit and cool. It'll probably take a while. So while that's cooling, I'm gonna let it cool in the pan before just transferring it like to a wire rack. While that's going though, I'm gonna prep a little bit of the other desserts that I wanna do. I'm just gonna do like the minimum stuff for that. But I'll actually put those together tomorrow.